Student, today our topic is thyristor. So first of all, we have to know what is thyristor. Thyristor is a four-layer PN-PN device which has three PN junction. It has a two stable switching states, namely the on or conducting state and the off or non-conducting state. So there is no other state in between these two, as in the bipolar and the FET. The thyristors are used specially for high power switching applications such as control of AC power to the load, motor speed load, light dimmers, etc. Unlike BJT and op-amps, which can be also as switches, most thyristors are not designed to be used as linear amplified devices. So what are the types of thyristor? If we see the type of thyristors, there are generally two types of thyristor: unidirectional and number two is bidirectional. So if we see the unidirectional thyristor, the which conduct in forward direction only, so this is known as unidirectional thyristor. The example of such thyristor is silicon control rectifier SCR, silicon control rectifier SCR, then light activated silicon control rectifier LASCR, and number 3 is silicon control switches SCS, and another one is silicon control switches SCS. And for bidirectional, there are two types of thyristor. One type trias, TRIAC. The full form is triode AC switch. Bidirection means it can conduct forward as well as reverse direction. So the thyristor require control signal to switch from non-conductive state to the conductive state. This device which generates such signal is called triggering devices. So what are the triggering devices? The example of triggering devices are diac, UJT, SUS and SBS. So these are UJT means unijunction transistor, diac means diode AC switch, SUS means silicon unilateral switch, and SBS means silicon bilateral switch. So these are the triggering devices. So main application of SCR, we know that why we use SCR. Those days SCR is often used most semiconductor device in industrial or power electronics field. It's used as a control switch to perform a variety of functions such as rectification, DC to AC inversion, power control. It is an important element in the control of electrical motor speed, electrical financial heat, lighting and many other use. If we see the construction of SCR, then there will see PNPN device. Means first there was P1, N1, P2 and N2. Upper point is anode, the below K for cathode, and P terminal there is a gate, G for gate, and the layer J1, J2, J3. If we symbolically draw, then there is anode, like diode there is a cathode, but the difference is there is a gate terminal. So SCR is a four layer semiconductor layer forming PN adjust. It has a PN junction has namely three layer J1, J2 and J3, and it has a anode, cathode and gate terminal. The anode terminal is taken out from the P1 layer, a cathode terminal is taken from the N2 layer, and the gate is terminal from the P2 layer. The schematic diagram is here, the symbol diagram, and the SCR is quite similar to the diode, but in fact SCR resembles the diode electricity since it conducts the current in one direction only when forward bias. However, SCR different from the diode because it has additional gate terminal, the gate terminal used to turn on the device. Then SCR biasing. SCR biasing. SCR can be biased in two modes depending upon the polarity of the applied voltage across the anode and cathode terminal. When the anode is positive with respect to cathode, the SCR is set forward bias, and if we see, this is the P1, whatever we see, P1, N2, P2 and N2, and here is the anode portion, below is the cathode portion. If here we turn positive, here we apply the negative terminal, and gate is open. So this is forward biasing, and in this J1 and J3, here J1, sorry, J1, P1 and then J2 and J3. J1 and J3 are forward bias and J2 is the reverse bias. So there is no current except leakage current through the SCR. Therefore, SCR is in off or normal non-conductive state. Under the condition, the device offers very high resistance. The value of this resistance is several mega ohm. On the other hand, if anode is negative, here if we take the another P1, N1, P2 and N2, J1, J2, J3, just opposite one, means here we give the negative terminal, here we give the positive terminal. So then it is called reverse bias. In this mode, J1 and J3 are reverse bias and J2 is the forward bias. Again, there is no flow of current, so the SCR, therefore SCR is off or non-conductive state. Then SCR operation. The SCR operation is by the using this figure A and this suppose this the figure B. So we know that if SCR is forward bias, small voltage, as if it is off position, no current flow through the device. However, if the applied forward voltage is increased, a certain critical value called forward breakover voltage VB0 is reached, at which the junction J2 breaks down, and this causes the SCR quickly switch on and the conducting position. Under this condition, SCR offers a very small resistance. The resistance value is 0.121 ohm and the voltage vary across it and drops a low value. The value of this voltage is about 1 volt. In the on state, the current through the SCR is very large and controlled by the applied voltage and external resistance. Now, if the battery of the applied voltage are reverse bias, then under this condition J1 and J3 are reverse bias, J1 and J3 are, J2 is the forward bias. So it is found that most of the voltage will drop across the J1 only, and when the applied reverse voltage is so small, SCR is off and there is no current except the leakage current through the device. If the reverse voltage is increased to reverse breakdown voltage, the J1 breakdown due to the avalanche effect. This caused a large current to flow through the SCR, due to which it may be get damaged in same way the reverse bias in PN junction diode we have read. So it is the above discussion. SCR can be used to one forward direction only, like rectifier diode. Therefore, SCR is a unidirectional semiconductor device which remains off so long as the applied anode voltage is below the breakover voltage and turn on when it exceeds the breakover voltage. So it will be interesting to know that SCR never operate with anode to cathode voltage, that is the supply of SCR equal to the forward breakover voltage. So supply voltage is smaller the forward voltage, SCR is on, and gate voltage and the gate current. So if we see the what are the basic of the thyristor and the main portion of SCR we have discussed. Then if we see the SCR equivalent circuit, what is the SCR equivalent circuit? If we see there are two transistor, three layers, it may be three layer structure PNP, where is the lower portion in NPN transistor, and the SCR operate two transistor PNP and NPN interconnected. Sometimes the circuit also called two transistor analogy or ideal latch of a SCR. Means suppose there is a one transistor PNP, means current is entering here, there is the terminal gate, here there is a terminal, this is the NPN transistor. So current is leaving, current IC2, emitter current, collector current, here the emitter current, base current is IB2, and from figure 1 this is the IC1, and this is the base current IB1. So it is evident from the figure the collector of each connected to the base of the other transistor. So therefore collector current of the Q1 to the base current of the Q2, and the base current of the Q1 is the collector current of Q2. From the circuit we have to see the action of the positive feedback or regeneration. It means that if the change in the current, it can be point loop forward Q1 to Q2, it is amplified and return to the starting position. For example, if the base current of Q2 is increased, so the collector current of the Q2 is also increased because IC is beta IB. So the action of continuous, both the transistor are driving into the saturation. In that case, SCR like a on switch and it passes the current from anode to cathode. On the other hand, if the base current of Q2 decrease, collector current will be also decreased. So it causes the reduce the base current through the Q1, due to which the collector current of Q1 decreases. This action will continue in both transistors are driven in the cutoff region. SCR like off switch and hence is blocked the cathode. So this of all from the today's lecture. We have